Are you looking for a project management tool? In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick Trello board dashboard tour. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Melody and I am a systems strategist. My goal is to protect your most valuable asset, your time. I do that by designing systems to streamline your business processes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. Let's hop on over to the dashboard and I'm going to give you a quick tour and explain all the little pieces and parts. So I like to think of Trello as a large piece of poster board with organized sticky notes. And what you are looking at right now is my week at a glance template that I use. This is my week at a glance board. All right, so you can have as many boards as you want to in Trello. This is how I organize my week. Now at the very top here, we're gonna see a couple of different menus. We'll have home. So if I were to click that, that's gonna go home where you can see all of my boards. If I select the tab boards, then all of the boards, the ones I have starred, which means I use them frequently, are gonna be at the top. And I can also search right here. You'll see find boards by name. I can also go to the search tab and I'm able to search boards. And then over here on the upper right hand corner, you'll find a little plus sign. I can create a board or I can also create a team. I can see notifications, my profile, and then I can also look at just really quick tips to get to different things in Trello with a little cog, right? Then what you're going to find here in your upper left-hand corner, this is the name of the board that I am on right now. It's very easy for me to change. All I have to do is to click on it and I can rename that. I have starred this board because this is a board that I use frequently, and you can tell when I do select boards, here are all of my star boards. This is a personal board, meaning I'm the only one who has access to this board. It's not a part of a team. It is a private board. I can make this board public, and that means that then I can share it with people. They can have access. Very easy. Can share it with my team, or I can share this board with my public. And then it's very easy then also for me to invite someone to this board by clicking the little person plus invite. I can add their email, or if they're already a part of Trello, you can put their name and then click and send the invitation, or you can create a link and share the link in an email as well. All right. The power up, you are allowed one power up per board in the free version of Trello. For this one, since it is my week at a glance, I'm using the calendar power up, and I will show you more information about power ups in another tutorial. And then the menu is shown right here in the right hand corner, and I will go through the menu in another tutorial. Okay, so right now what you are looking at again is the Trello board, and the way that Trello is organized, like I said, organized sticky notes, is organized here in columns. All right, and each one of these columns is a list. And on a list, you can find cards. So all of these little white tabs, it appears on a list, those are the cards. And you can see the way that I have organized this week at a glance are my daily affirmations, so things I'm thankful for, inspiration. I'm also able to quickly glance at my monthly, quarterly, and yearly goal. Eat that frog. This is something that I put here as kind of up to 3 things that I don't want to do. So I list those here, and then I'm able to move them into my week. And then I use a system of time blocking in order to organize my week. We'll get into more detail about cards and how to use labels. I've used labels here to very quickly identify that it's a daily task. If I do something in the morning, midday, in the evening, and then what is for dinner, that typically goes at the bottom. But each one of these lists are easy to drag and drop. And they're also easy. I can add a card. I can copy this entire list. Let's say, for example, I wanted to do a Sunday list, and now all of a sudden I have a new list. I can also get rid of this. So I'm going to archive the list. So now it's no longer seen. But even the cards within lists are very easy to drag and drop. That's what makes Trello so user-friendly. And you can really use it in the way that it was meant to be, in to do, doing, and done, Or you can use Trello in any way to organize a project that you're working on with either a team or if you're just working on a project for yourself. But I just wanted to cover really quickly some of the terminology associated with a Trello board so you feel comfortable when you log on to your first Trello board. Now that you've taken the tour, be sure to grab my Week at a Glance template that keeps my calendar organized with time blocking. If you found this video helpful, show some love and tap on the heart and leave a comment. I'd love to invite you to join a community of women just like you in my private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and special guests to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence.